one is 2 0 0 4 0 1. So on the B string, 2, E string 0, B string 0, 4, B string 0, G string 1. So 2 0 0 4 0 1. So this next one is the same riff, just in a different place. So 6 and 5. So 6th space, 5th space. So we're gonna go. Then we're gonna bar on 4 4. So we got 6 5 4 4 6 5. Then we end it with 4 6. So 6 5 4 4 4 6. Use different fingers for the different spaces. So 6 5 4 4 4 6. So the next place we play it higher up. So 11 9. Then 9 8. Then we finish it off with 8 9 11. 11 9 9 8 9 11.